Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to give you guys a quick overview on how to use Blackbox AI. If you don't know what Blackbox AI is, Blackbox AI is pretty much ChatGPT specifically for programmers. And I know you can use ChatGPT to do basic things in programming, but Blackbox AI pretty much was specifically made for programming. So it's not like ChatGPT where you ask it to write you an essay or anything like that. But let me just get right into it. Let me not waste your time. So let me ask it a question. So let me tell it to give me something. So let's say create a mortgage calculator in HTML. So it's going to give me this. So it's creating this. And now for those of you who use WordPress, you can just pretty much copy and paste this into the HTML part of your website. So this will work. So in this and it also gives you a bunch of real-time knowledge over here. If you actually click this, the real-time knowledge is gonna go more and more and more and more in depth. But I don't want to click this because trust me, it takes forever before it actually gives you the answer. It's gonna damn near write an entire essay before it starts coding. So let's just see it. So it tells you this, so it gives you all the code here, and then tells you in this HTML code the user can input blah blah blah, where P is the monthly payment, L is the loan amount, R is the interest rate, N is the number of monthly payments. So you can ask it to do almost anything. So let's just say, let me just do this. So it gives us more and more how to add interactivity to the mortgage calculator using JavaScript, and it's gonna keep giving you more and more. It's gonna answer your questions. So I told you guys, if you click this real-time knowledge, it's gonna take ages before it gets to the specific answer. Like if something's gonna take it only, let's just say 15 seconds to write, it's gonna take it damn near 5 minutes. I'm not even lying. So this is pretty good here. I mean, as you guys can see, straight to the point. I don't want to take too much time here. If you're a programmer, you're a developer, you know the type of questions to ask it. I don't know the type of question you're going to ask it, but I'm just giving you guys a quick overview on how to use Blackbox AI. They also have a VS Code extension here. So like a marketplace. If you click on it, you go over here, you can install this, and you can install it directly onto your system, I believe. Let me click on install. As you can see, you can actually install it onto your system. I don't want to install it, leave here, but you can install it onto your system and you can work with it. So if you're new to Visual Studio Code, you can actually download it and then use Blackbox AI with it. So it's pretty straightforward. It's a tool that's gonna help you. Maybe if you want to do debugging or anything like that, you can take it in there and just put it in here, and it's gonna help you debug it. That's all I have for you guys today. I want to ask you guys, just let me know how Blackbox AI works out for you. If it's something that you keep on using, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys next time.